Hi everyone, I'm Vandana Rai from Immigration Advisors New Zealand, and I'm making this video for all of you who are in New Zealand, who are eligible to apply for a work to residence visa, and they're not very sure whether this is the right decision for you or not. Getting a lot of questions in that space, and I wanted to give clarity. So for all those who are eligible for a work to residence visa, be it based on their work with an accredited employer, or be it their occupation being in a long-term skill shortage list and they meeting all the other criteria. There is a growing interest because the last date to apply for this visa is 31st October 2021, and a lot of you who are on an open work visa do have a lot of questions before they can finally make this decision. We do get questions like, is it really worthwhile to leave my open work visa and come on work to residence visa, which specifies the employer and the occupation that I can work for? So my answer to that would be definitely your decision, but a work to residence would give you a backup plan for your residence visa. So it is one of the options that could take you to a residence visa, and it is entirely up to you on whether you would like to have that option available for you or not, and the pros and cons of being on an open work visa, the ease with which you can change employment versus the restriction of only working for one employer while on that visa. But at the same time, I would also like to tell you is that if you're working for an accredited employer, you're on a work to residence visa, and you want to change your employer, you get a job with another accredited employer and you're meeting the criteria, definitely there is an option for you to change employment within the next 24 or 30 months as well. So don't think that if you get on a work to residence visa, you would have no option to change your employers. There is a provision which does allow you to change employers provided you're meeting specific other criteria, but definitely that provision is in the instructions and you could always avail of that. The second question I get from a lot of you is that the residence under the skilled migrant category may open anytime, and the minister's announcement wherein he said that it may open very soon has given a lot of hope to all of you. The kind of questions I get is, maybe the residence opens very soon and I've got already 190 points. Somebody would say I already have a 230 points, or my salary is twice the median, or I'm working in an occupation which will be prioritized. It's an occupation which is registered. So I do have the option of getting my residence prioritized once the SMC opens, and this work to residence seems to be a longer path for me. So one has to be on the work to residence visa for 24 months, following which a residence from work could be applied for. So again, I would like to give clarity here is, if you are on a work to residence visa, definitely you have this option of applying for a residence to work after being on that visa for 24 months, but that in no way restricts you from applying for a residence visa under the SMC category. So if you are on a work to residence visa and after few weeks, months, whenever the residence under the SMC reopens and the EOI selection resumes, you would always have that option of applying for residence under the SMC category while being on a work to residence visa as well. So please don't think that if you come on a work to residence visa, the only option for you going towards the residence pathway is when you complete 24 months and you apply for residence from work. So again, you could be eligible for an SMC residence sooner, and this option could still give you a surety or a backup plan for you. So again, do your research, take your decision after you've researched well, but if you need any clarification, if you need any advice, please do contact. We would be happy to assist you in the process. Thank you.